Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to go ahead and look out for your Bitcoin address on Coinbase application and you're looking for a tutorial, in today's video, we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just get started. Start by accessing the Coinbase application for that. And once you are in this application, you can look out for My Assets tab from your screen and tap on it. After you tap on it, all you gotta do is from this assets section, scroll down until you reach over to this My Crypto section with the Bitcoin option available. So head over there and find up and tap on it. After you tap on it, this Bitcoin page opens up. Now what you need to do is basically look out for the share option in the top or select it or tap on the straight option. After that, when you scroll down a bit, you should be finding an option of your balance. So you just need to look out for this Bitcoin section right here. And once you find Bitcoin, you can find and tap on it. After you tap on it here, it will show you your Bitcoin primary balance and different other options. What you need to do is basically look out for this QR code option and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can tap on this section called I understand. And once you do so, here it will view you your Bitcoin address from your Coinbase application very easily. So you can just go over and copy the code right here or even share this QR code or look out for the share option in the top right corner and share it with whoever you want through the Coinbase application. So that is it, everybody. If you want to look up for your Bitcoin address on Coinbase app, you may also follow up this process. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.